Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some exciting news for you. Dall-E 3 has been launched and it's been integrated in Microsoft Bing. Here, as you can see, the image creator is powered by Dall-E 3. So in the previous versions of Dall-E, the AI was not able to incorporate texts into images. But in the newer version of Dall-E 3, you can generate images with texts. To check if this version is Dall-E 3 or not, just type in a prompt and make sure you mention the text. So I've written a robot reading a novel under a neon lit palm tree, and on the tree there is a sign that reads binary oasis. Right, so if the AI can incorporate this text, then we are using Dall-E 3. Hit on create. And there you go, our image is generated in just few seconds. So all the images are generated by Dall-E 3 and it has successfully incorporated the texts. And now here is the icing on the cake. Dall-E 3 is completely free to use and you don't have to pay anything. You get 100 tokens a day free with Dall-E 3. That means you can create amazing images without any cost. You can still able to use this tool even after you finish your tokens, but your generating time will be a little bit more. So you basically get unlimited credits and it refreshes every day. And that's not all. The exciting continues because Dall-E 3 is also launching on ChatGPT 4, which means you can experience this incredible fusion of text and images in your conversations as well. So make sure you try out Dall-E 3, which is incorporated in Microsoft Bing. So that was a quick video for you today. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.